Hey Esther, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time earlier to speak to my associate Elizabeth. In this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online leads. Now, you may be asking, why do we put this video together? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small business owners such as yourself are too busy taking care of your customers and employees, and you just don't have time to learn how the internet works. Well, we feel that the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these plans and we basically give them away for free. Now, some people implement them themselves. Some people call us back and say, hey, can we help? Whatever you decide is all good with us. After this video, if you would like to chat, feel free to reach out. Now, we're going to go over three things: content, backlinks, and citations. Content includes all the words on your web page. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone may type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Now, keywords should be placed throughout your web page, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have keywords like plumber, Oceanside, leaks, floods. That tells Google, who then tells the end user that your website exists. So, if I take a look at your page, I love your logo. The pictures here, everything looks good, flows really nicely. You have some pictures here. Just keep in mind that you can save these pictures as keywords behind them. That really helps when Google crawls your site. Some testimonials, and then you have a capture page for quotes, which is great. Again, Google likes to see about 2,000, 1,500 to 2,000 words. So I put your website into a counter, and right now you have about 606 words. If I look at your next competitor here, we can take a look at their website. They have some testimonials, not as a lot of content, but right now they have about 396 words on their website. And we look at the third competitor, we can take a look at their site. They have some pictures, sort of a similar layout, some stuff here. Looks like they have a fairly more content. Let's just take a look. They have about 1,241 words on their webpage. So what I believe is that the more words that we add, relevant words, keywords on your page, you'll begin to outrank these guys competitively. And what I mean by outranking them is I put in a search term, fence company, Montgomery County. And as you can see, these are paid ads up here, which people are paying for. These guys are up here in the map pack, ranked number 2 and number 3 respectively. And I can tell you exactly how to get into that section, but we'll talk about that in a minute. But as you can see here, this is where we see the organic search. And we can see that they are ranked on number 1 organically because of the content that they have on their page. So content is key. Google likes to see, again, 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is a backlink. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find a website linking back to another website via clickable hyperlink. Now, these links act as an endorsement of your website for the user, which then Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. Now, the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But just keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal. So you want to go out there and get relevant backlinks. Obviously, you don't want to go out there. You guys are a fencing company. You don't want to go out there and get a backlink from Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut because that's just not relevant to your business. So I use a paid tool, which you guys don't have to use, but I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks. Right now, you guys have 81 backlinks on your site. You have 431 organic keywords, and your traffic is 471 clicks. And if we take a look at your second competitor, they have 459 backlinks. Their keywords are about 874, so that's in their content. They're killing it with the keywords, and they have 668 total traffic monthly on their website. And your third competitor, they have 743 backlinks, other companies linking back to them, 631 keywords, and organic traffic is about 2,000 clicks per month, up from last month, 327. So what we said was, the more backlinks you have, the the higher you're going to be ranked in Google, and it's going to help you out. Now, the third thing we're going to talk about is a citation. Now, a citation is anywhere your business name, address, and phone numbers appears in a directory, exactly as your Google My Business page, your profile. Citations help you rank in Google Map Pack, which is extremely important for small local businesses such as yourself, since you get a huge amount of revenue from that section. Your citations go up when your name, address, and phone number appear in more directories than your competition. So some of the directories that you can go out and get are Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau. Social media accounts are good ways, but there are hundreds of other hundreds of other directories that you can go into. The idea is that you're basically branding your business. Google will see your business all over the internet. The larger your online presence, the more Google is going to trust you. So if we take a look here, we can see that obviously that's the paid section. This is the map pack where you want to be. And so we look at these companies here, we can see that they're ranked #1 because their business has more citations than other businesses out there. So if this company has 50 citations, we want to go out and get 60 or 70 citations. If they have 80 citations, we want to go out and get 200 to 300 citations. We want to beat these guys out so we can present ourselves in this map pack where people are going to be looking when they're searching on the internet. So I hope this information was helpful to you. Just in recapping, we talked about content. We talked about having 1,500 to 2,000 words, relevant content on your website. You can use blogs, you can use guest posts, but we want to have relevant, fresh content on our website. We talked about backlinking. We want to have our business linking back from other companies, linking back to us, giving us credibility in Google's eyes. And we also talked about citations. We want to go out there and get as many citations as possible. We don't want to just stay local, but we want to branch out. We want to go to, New Jersey. We want to get citations in directories in New York. We want to be in California. We want to be in Denver. The more citations, the more Google sees you in different directories, the higher up your presence is going to be on that Google Map Pack. Now, just in recap, I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. You can implement these plans on your own if you feel like that. That's totally fine with us. Or if you need more information, feel free to reach out to us and call us back. Our number's at the bottom of the screen. And again, thank you for watching this video, and you have a great day.